With all the different battery types around, just like this 9-volt battery, which is pretty common, but it's used for specific reasons. And sometimes, a lot of times we'll have AA's or we'll have AAA's. We won't have the 9-volt or vice versa. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned recently about 9-volt batteries. We're going to go ahead and open this battery up. We're going to take the cover off first. And it just kind of peels away. This thing is sealed pretty tight. We got that outer layer. I'm going to try to take off this cover part. Some batteries are different. Some of them, when you open this, just the wrapping off, you can get right to the core of the battery. It's a little bit tougher. We're going to break this out. Now you'll notice that there are 6 small batteries in here. They're all connected, so you're going to want to separate them. These actually just peel off easier than they cut off. Now we have 6 cells. You have a really flat side, and then you have a little bit of a nub, similar to your AAA. So what you want to do is look, and you can see right away that the battery inside the 9-volt is a little bit smaller than your AAA. We're going to take this little Olight flashlight that uses AAA. We're going to remove the AAA. We want one with a very smooth bottom. Take that solder off so it'll make a good connection. Now this little Olight has a little spring in it. So we're going to try it first without the tinfoil. But if you need that spacer, tinfoil works. And then we're going to do the flat side at the top. That's kind of the opposite that the AAA works. So you're going to drop it in. There we go. Now we have light. And this is not necessarily meant for this light, but as you can see, it even works the modes. You have your small moonlight setting, have your brighter, and then your super bright. And that's just using one of these 9-volt batteries. So you're getting 6 batteries for the price of 1. And then you can use it for AAA. So just a really quick little tip, if you don't have AAA's, you can use a 9-volt battery, pull the small batteries out, and you can get by with using these little small batteries. Now if you need the spacer, of course, use the tinfoil, and you can adapt this to however you want to. It's according to how the light is. The one good thing about the Olight was that it did have a spring, so it forced this up. But it works just as well as the AAA. In a bad situation where you can't get batteries, that could really come in handy. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Just use a little tin foil. Well, that's not it. And we're going to go ahead and just open this thing up, just taking the cover off. Okay. That's cool. I just saved myself some cash.